Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Zadala, and today I'm going to be showing you my fidget collection. Right there. It's pretty big, but yeah, so I'm going to be right back so I can turn the TV down. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is this colorful fidget cube. And it's just colorful, that is like, and it has black right there. Xavier, be quiet, okay? Please, just watch the video, okay? Yeah, make a dinosaur. Sorry about that. That was my brother behind me. You can see his head right there. So that's that one. The next one is this colorful, but it's also a colorful one too, but it has brighter colors in it, and it has black for the buttons and stuff. The next one is this cheetah print one, and it has black for the buttons. The next one is this blue and white one. The next one is this green and black one. The next one is this black, red, and grayish whitish color. The next one is this like I'm not sure, but sorry about the TV. I just put the show Boss Baby on, so if you want to watch that, you can. But it's just like slanted, like right there. There's like a line right there. So yeah, so this is that one with black. The next one is this yellow and white one. The next one is this light yellow and white one. The next one is this red and black one. Sorry for my brother. He's my brother. Okay. So now I'm gonna go into the other ones, but I'm gonna dump the bag out, so I would be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I have one more, so that is the green and white fidget cube. The next one is this baby fidget cube, and why it has like this thing.
That's my dear one.
Oh, thank you. Now I have another one. It is the same exact one as this one, but it is lighter colors. I know, my fuzzy head. My fuzzy head. This is my brother, if you didn't know. So, yeah. And this one is the same exact one as this. Yeah.
This.
Want me to do this one first? Okay. So now we're going on to the fidget. Okay.
I'll see what you have here.
Put your feet in.
Last one.
Okay, so the first one is this blue one. You can see through it like that, and it just has silver sparklers in it. You want to show them that one?
Obviously, he's this totally weird. There's
yeah, this one lights up. Here, can I show them?
What was there?
Okay. Yeah. Well, now put it down so we can go on to the other ones. Okay, so the next one is this one. I don't know where the back side is, but it is colorful. So now my brother's going to show you. Nope, never mind. Okay, so the next one is this light up one. you can light it up if I can. Yeah, you can light it up, and it's so cool. This one doesn't work, sadly. It's so cool. Here, I'll do it this way. Whoa, it's so cool. Here, want to see? Stop here. Okay. Whoa. Now Sissy has to turn them off. Okay. Okay. So the next one is this one. This one is my favorite one because I like the colors.
I'll see it.
Here, go sit on the couch, okay? Go sit on the couch.
Okay, I want to see there.
Okay, fine.
I want to see there, Dad.
Okay. So this one is my favorite one because I like the colors. The next one is this one. This one.
I'll wait for that. Did it?
This one?
Uh-huh. No, did it. There.
This one?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay. So next is this one right there. The next one is this one. It doesn't spin that well because I don't know why, but I found...
Ow! I found it there. What's there?
Oh, thank you, baby. Here, I'm gonna put it together, and yeah.
Daddy,
So I put it together, and it still doesn't
see it.
spin that well.
And that's what says for me.
So yeah,
so
that's that one.
that one. And this one says
The
so
next one is this.
oh,
like,
there, right there. That's
oh,
right
thank
there.
you. Here, Sissy's gonna put it back on. This one. There, now it's fixed. Wanna hold that one?
Mhm.
Okay. So
This one sees.
I already showed them that one. Okay, so the next one is like this yellow gold color, and it's so pretty. Like you can literally see your reflection in it. So yeah, that's that one. The next one is this pink one. This one is mine, but it's okay. I love this one. This is my favorite one of all. This one is my favorite, but it's like my second favorite. This one is my favorite because it's pink, iridescent, and it has silver glitter in it.
Did it? If I did it.
The next one is my mom's. It is like this one, but it's pink and it has like different colors of the rims, whatever they're called, these parts. So it is pink, and here, I'll spin it for you guys. It spins for a long time. When my mom got this, she said it spins for 3 hours or something hours.
See it.
Sorry.
I see it.
So yeah, it's pink. The next one is this one. This is also my mom's, but it's missing one of these parts. So I'll try to spin it for you. It doesn't spin that well, and it's a emoji one. This one is my mom. She got it by her mom on her birthday. So yeah, she loves that one. The next one is this one. It is a pink one, like this. Can you tell the difference? So this one's like the soft one, and this one's these shiny ones. So I think they're pretty easy to tell apart. So yeah, here, I'll spin it for you. And yeah. So the next one is, sorry,
This is that sword.
is this green one.
Jamon?
And it's all green. It used to
This
have
is
a,
my dream.
yeah, it's green as your shirt. Yeah. So yeah, it's green like his shirt. And here, I'll spin it for you. You know, that is how it spins. And it used to have a heart on it. But I think my mom took it off because it was a sticker. So yeah. The next one is this tiny one. This one's my mom's. I like it. I like it because of the colors. And yeah. Did you just yawn? Okay, so now we're going on to the ball and net ones. So the first one that I have is this purple one. It's like a marble that has, it's like a net that has a marble in it. Want to hold it? Yeah, grab the blue one, and you can just like fidget with it. You just like squish the ball on the ground, but you cannot take it out because they sewed it. And yeah, so you can like pull it apart, squeeze it, pull it apart, squeeze it.
Fidget.
And then I also have a
Fidget.
yellow one.
Part. Fidget. Touch the trees.
Yeah, you found Chuck E. Cheese tickets.
Okay.
Yeah, so next I have this tiny fidget spinner. How come it doesn't spin, baby?
I know, it's weird. No.
So yeah, it is a white one. A white fidget spinner, a baby fidget spinner. And it doesn't spin that well. I don't know what happened to it. So that is all for today. That's all my fidget spinner collection type thingy deal, whatever. I don't know what I'm saying right now, but that's all for today. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Peace.